We're back here to ride the Schindler elevator inside M&M store.
I'll be down here.
Oh, you'll be down here? Okay. Huh? No, it's okay. I got it. This is the M&M's. This is the elevator at the M&M store at Mall of America in Bloomington, Minnesota. Third floor is temporarily closed, unfortunately. I'm gonna ring the button. That's a nice chime. Let's go back down to one. Let's go down to one. Let's go down. Look at this. And then we'll get one more ride, and then surprisingly, this elevator is not too busy. Let's wait for it to go down. Let's go to up to 2. I'm gonna watch it from here. Unfortunately, third floor doesn't work. Set down to 1. They really changed their buttons since the last time I've ridden this. Wow, look at the commercial of M&M's. This is the outside of the mall. This took like 1 second to level, too. That's pretty fast. So it's close. And let's watch it close. And that's it.